Hi, I'm Jennifer, Power of Words. Today's lesson is going to be about how to write better copy for better marketing results. And this is from No BS Direct Marketing for non-direct marketing businesses. Now, rule number 7 says that there should be strong copy, which is obviously your words on your website and advertising. So the main thing is when confronted with the clutter and confusion or just generic copy that people put out these days in the marketplace, the business owners are not getting traction, not getting results, so they think that the only solution that they can do is to advertise more, maybe to a different market, or buy bigger ad spaces, like maybe put it in a different platform, that sort of thing. Hiring a celebrity or other influencers and things just because they think that it needs that kind of thing, but actually yelling isn't selling, as he says. So you don't need to do that if you've got a really strong offer with strong copy and languaging around what that buyer needs and wants. So he goes through 4 copy mistakes that smart direct marketers do not make. And so one of them is, the first one I come across a lot, is most ineffectual copy starts with the company's experience and what the company does, what they say they do. And they fall back on lingo as well, which isn't too good. So instead you should develop creative customer focused positioning and voice, so that you're talking in their language and using their own desires and fears to sell. The second other mistake that is writing factually and professionally in a professional tone, and you'll probably even instruct ChatGPT to give you a professional tone rather than have any emotional undertone, rather than have enthusiasm and conversational language. As you would be telling someone about your service discovery, product discovery. But actually, it's been shown over and over again that emotional appeals and enthusiastic writing always gets more results. So, and the third mistake is being timid or bland in your claims and promises. And you've got to keep working on those claims until they sound really good, as well as appeal to the underlying emotional drivers of that target avatar. Now, some people are going to be taken aback by the language, and they're going to say, oh, that doesn't sound very like us or very professional. Unfortunately, you just have to change, because the customer's always the one that decrees how you speak to them. And if you read your own reviews on Google, you'll find out the exact language of your market. So you don't want to be timid and you don't want to be bland, and you need to stand out with your strong copy, your words. And the fourth mistake, he says, is violating rules 1 and 2, which is there must be an offer or offers, is rule number 1. And number 2 is tracking and measuring everything. So you are not going to be losing your customers at the first point when they go to your homepage if you have the right kind of wording and the you focus. You will never lose anyone with the right focus and you language. You will lose them if you start talking about we, and how long we've been in business and how good we are and how many awards we have and all that. You will lose them, because everyone, as we know, is only interested in what they want and what they will get out of something. They are looking to solve their problems, and that's what you have to keep in mind when you're putting together your homepage. Thank you, Jennifer Lancaster, Power of Words.